Hello there, my friends. So AIPRM Premium is here. But first you got to remove the old AIPR chat GTP extension. So how do you do that? Well, you need to copy paste the above in your browser bar, probably, as links may not work for this. Okay, let's click it. Oh, copy and paste, right? So that's Chrome. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's hit remove from Chrome. See what happens. Nothing. All right, so copy and paste. Put that in our browser extension. Beep. That's not what I wanted. I thought I copied and pasted. Don't you hate when this happens? All right, so I highlighted this. It says you must click remove extension or remove from Chrome for your existing extension here. You need to copy paste the above into your browser bar, probably as links. So hit Control V. I hit Control V. I want Control C. Control C, and then hit Control V, and then hit OK. And now it says, all right, remove extension. And it says here, report abuse. No, just remove it. Okay, so we removed it. Now we go back to the instructions. And it says install the new AIPR Premium. And it also says something about don't worry. Where does it say this? Don't worry, all of your information is on our servers. All right, so we'll just hit this. All right. AIPRM Premium, add to Chrome, checking, add extension, and you're done. And that's it. Connect OpenAI and AIPRM accounts. We're excited now, so you can connect them. Sure, let's connect them. And nobody ever reads that stuff. And then I have to sign in to Google. I hate this. All right. What if I don't? What if I just don't do that? What if I just do this? All right, so now what I want to do is I want to go to Cyril. I want to copy this. This is going to be fun. All right, and then go to here, YouTube. It does keep all my information. And then I want to complete package, title, tags, descriptions, SEO complete. Let's do that. And then, boom. Cyril pockets piping some light tailoring. For those of you who don't know who Cyril is, he's a character on Andor, and he liked to modify his uniform. And as a result, he got noticed. And anyway, stuff like that. But let's see if these guys don't even know that he's in Star Wars Andor. So, expert tips for tailoring, light tailoring. Are you tired of clothes that don't fit quite right? With light tailoring, you can transform your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Our channel offers step-by-step tutorials and expert tips for mastering the art of light tailoring at home. So as you can see, you have to give it a little more information. So we're going to go Star Wars Andor. Let's stop generating. Let's do this one. Ready? Sure. Here's an example of a social media post. With hashtags for phone YouTube video. Attention, Star Wars fan. Want to create your own Andor-inspired wardrobe? Check out our latest video on Cyril Pockets piping and light tailoring for Star Wars Andor. Learn how to transform your clothes into galactic fashion statements with our expert tips and easy-to-follow tutorials. Hashtag Star Wars Andor, light tailoring, Cyril Pockets, etc., etc., etc. Isn't that fun? you can see kind of what the thought process of the algorithm is, but it's really not, not terribly accurate. So I guess that's all we're getting here. Okay. So I'm going to copy that and go back over here into my description, paste it, and then go like, and say, this was generated by ChatGPT. Open AI. And that's it. And I can't spell generated. Jeez, man, that was way off. Generated. All right, cool. Save that. And then we'll see if we get some more hits. All right, guys, I hope you have a good one today. Smash like and all that crap. Thank you. Have a good day.